Zack with FasTrax here. Today we're continuing our series on Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. And today we're discussing qualifications and compliance. Again, I'm joined by our in-house DTP guru, Mike. Mike manages our sales team and he answers questions all day about everything DTP related. Mike, welcome.
Hi Zach, nice to be here. Excited to talk about Altria's new programs.
So there's a few pieces we want to go over today: getting qualified and staying in compliance. So let's start with qualifications. What are some of the qualifications that a retailer needs to have?
Well, they're going to have to basically engage in a digital loyalty program. That means that they're going to not just offer loyalty in store, but they're going to have a way to reach out to their customers. And they're going to have to connect with their Altria rep to make sure that they meet certain volume qualifications for their program.
Gotcha. Now there's also an AVT component, correct?
Yep, they have to use AVT with their loyalty. That would be where they age validate. That's AVT, age validation technology. That would be where they age validate all of their loyalty customers to make sure everybody is 21 or older.
Gotcha. So we have a customer-facing loyalty program. We have AVT, and then there's some marketing aspect. What do they have to be able to do from a marketing perspective?
So from a marketing perspective, Altria needs to be able to send their offers to that store's customer through the loyalty program. That means that you might be doing push notifications or emails, sending those through directly to the consumer to see whatever the newest coupon or promotion is.
But not just any consumer, an age-validated consumer, correct?
An age-validated consumer, that's right.
Correct. And now in the FasTrax ecosystem, we handle all this?
In the FasTrax ecosystem, we handle all of it, Zach. So the one system is turnkey for doing everything from sending the data to Altria to validating your customer's age and engaging with them for those digital marketing programs.
Right. And so with the digital loyalty program, so when they hit the Loyal and Save app, they're going to see what the retailer has set up, but also it's going to reach out to Altria, correct?
Absolutely. So you get to run your own promotions in our Loyal and Save program alongside the Altria offers in case you want to do waters off or anything like that in the store.
All right, so now we know what it takes to qualify. How do they stay in compliance? Because I know Altria is big on that.
So staying in compliance is about reporting the sales data in a timely fashion, giving it to them in the right format. And again, the biggest component is going to be doing that age validation and making sure those consumers are 21 or older.
So what do they have to do in the FasTrax world to stay in compliance?
Well, everything that we do is pretty much automated, so there's not much that needs to be done. So long as you're scanning IDs, creating loyalty customers, they're all going to be age validated, and your tools are going to be able to reach out to them, like with our Klaviyo integration.
So basically, once the train is rolling, it just keeps on rolling?
Basically, once you get it started, it's not going to stop.
So it's all automated?
All automated.
So to summarize, to qualify, I need to have an AVT tool. So I need to scan licenses or use the AIV for the loyalty. I need to have a customer-facing loyalty app. That app needs to be able to market on Altria's behalf to age-validated consumers. And the app needs to be customer-facing, correct?
Correct.
Terrific. And all that can be done via FasTrax?
All by calling us at 845-719-3550.
Well, that wraps up this session, and hopefully you understand not only what you need to qualify, how to stay compliant, and how FasTrax can help you do that. Thanks again, Mike, helping us out today. Be sure to check out the other videos in this session on FTx Academy, and to learn more about us, hit goftx.com. Until next time, take care. Hey guys, quick note. This video series is based on our understanding of Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. Sometimes things can and do change, so you need to make sure you check with your Altria rep to ensure your compliance with their guidelines. Thanks.